Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can copy code from Chatgpt to Microsoft Word. So the first step, I'm going to open Chatgpt. So here I'm going to give a prompt, write for me a sample HTML code. So now it is start writing for me. So here is the code. So basically this is an example code. Okay, then you simply need to click on copy code, go back, and simply need to open the Word, open Word, blank document, click on insert and select the table, and then you simply need to click on Control V. So now you can see that a code is pasted into the Word. So this is the process you need to follow to copy code from ChatGPT to Microsoft Word. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.